Hi, good afternoon, all my followers. Welcome to Vintage Car News. Make sure that you hit the button subscribe before we even started to make sure that you receive your weekly video and your latest update on all the vintage car. All right, today I had a chance to walk into the mall and I see this beautiful vintage motor truck, ice cream motor truck Amorino. So I had to stop for a few seconds to record this beautiful vintage motorcycle truck. And I see that people online having some beautiful ice cream. I didn't get a chance to enjoy that ice cream myself, but I just want to show you this little beautiful vintage truck. All right, similar, we have a beautiful Volkswagen ice cream truck as well. So today is pretty much like a little special ice cream video, light and free, à goût à tomber. For who those understand French, you guys probably know what it means. If not, just enjoy watching this beautiful beetle van that's selling ice cream in the street of Paris. Look, very nice hands with the love, the signs of the finger, orange color. And I try to record as much as I can. Look at the front. This is a 1975 Volkswagen Beetle truck in the middle of the street of Paris. People are online. Unfortunately, they're enjoying this weather, but I wasn't able because I'm here to make sure that I show you the best on this truck. So I'm here to show you what's next here. Wow, this is a Citroen brick, Citroen 1973, parked in the street of Paris. And I don't know if you've seen the movie Ghostbuster. This car kind of remind me the cop's car in Ghostbuster. I don't know if you remember that movie, but it's shaped pretty much the same body of this car. So when I saw it, I'm like, I had to take a shot of this video. And so I like the front light, I like the plate number, and I like the color. Unfortunately, this car is parked in the handicap area that is not supposed to, but it's a little car show, so I believe it was allowed for today. I like the rims, 17-inch rims. I really hope you guys like the video. Give 2 thumbs up. Make sure you hit the button subscribe and follow for more videos. See you later. Take care. Bye.